Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. In today's video, we're going to cover the reverse elbow toss. The reverse elbow toss is similar to the elbow toss in that you use your elbow to make the throw. The difference, however, is that in the elbow toss, you wrap around the elbow and use it to transfer the thong into your hand, whereas with the reverse elbow toss, the entire throw happens off of the elbow. As well, the direction that the throw starts is forward instead of backward, like in the regular elbow toss. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is get comfortable swinging the whip in this direction, just forward. Swing it forward just as if you've just finished a cattleman's crack and you're continuing the momentum like this. When the whip's in front of you, you're going to want to pinch the bottom of the whip with your index finger and your thumb, just like this. You'll notice it's just going to hang there and kind of swing. Once you can get that to happen pretty consistently, so you're grabbing and you pinch for the swing here, you're going to want to try and get it to swing around your elbow. This is the tough part, so really stick your elbow out, kind of chicken wing it, and bring the whip in towards you so that the whip is going to go over your arm. Once you've got the thong over your elbow, you're going to release the handle, and when the handle swings out, that's when you're going to pop it up with your elbow. I like to practice this by going over my elbow and getting into position and holding the thong with my opposite hand. I'll swing the handle back and forth, and when I'm ready, I'm going to pop it up and release with my other hand. Once you're confident, you won't need to do this. You'll just put it on and immediately pop it right back off. You'll feel the handle want to swing outwards. When the whip is up in the air, it's going to be spinning in this direction, in the same direction that it was when you initially started the throw. When you catch it, there's two different things you can do. The first is to catch it and swing up into a reverse cattleman's crack. And the second would be to do the back crack of the fast figure eight. That's my personal favorite because it flows a little bit better for me, but whatever you're comfortable with is the right choice. That's how to do the reverse elbow toss. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.